Hello children and welcome to our EYFS Home Father's Day Activity Day. So we're really excited for our first activity because we are going to make a special menu for breakfast in bed. So it could be for your dad, it could be for that really special person in your life. So you're going to need a little bit of grown-up help just to organise all of this. But I guarantee it will be really special to do this for your dad or that's someone special in your life. So all you're going to need is some card and some felt tip pens and a grown-up to talk to about all the things that your dad or special person likes to eat. So I've made a little menu already and Eva is just making hers now. So on the front of my menu I've just decorated it and I've put breakfast in bed. And then inside what I've done is I've thought about all the things that Eva's daddy likes to eat. And I've made a little message in here as well. So we've got for our drinks, I've decided to give Daddy some orange juice, haven't I? Eva's daddy. And he does like a nice cup of tea, doesn't he? So we've got 2 drinks.
And he likes coffee too.
He does like coffee too, doesn't he? And then I've put food here. And Eva's daddy particularly likes porridge, doesn't he?
Toast.
But he doesn't just like toast on its own. We've got
lemon curd.
his favourite is lemon curd, so we put that on there too. So have a think what your grown-up loves to eat, that special person. What would they like for breakfast in bed? And then you can make your very own menu. So me and Eva are going to put ours together and we're going to show you in a minute what they look like. Children, we've had a wonderful time putting our menus together and coming up with lots of ideas, haven't we, for Father's Day celebration in bed. So Eva's just finishing off her picture and it's going to go inside her menu. So I've shown you this one that I did, but just to give you some other ideas of what your dad or special person might like to eat. I've done another one here, so I've just written inside, have a fantastic day, and then I've got drinks, I've got orange juice and coffee, and then food. I've chosen croissants and jam. So think about what your dad or special person likes to eat, and then you can decorate your menu. So you might want a little bit of help to record your words, but you can draw some lovely pictures in there, and I'm sure that your special person or your dad will love to receive this for a special treat today. So Eva, do you want to show the children what you've done for your menu? It's very, very creative. So show them the front first. So she's got menu breakfast in bed, looking very happy with Daddy. Is that me and you, Eva? Bringing the breakfast. And then inside she's drawn our house with the flowers in the garden. And then Eva, tell the children what you've chosen to give to Daddy for his breakfast. What have you got here?
Just coffee and jam and toast.
Jam and toast, isn't that lovely? And Eva's done that all by herself. She's sounded it out beautifully. And then we're ready to go and make the breakfast, aren't we? Now we've got the menu. So have lots of fun making your very own breakfast menu. Shall we say goodbye? Bye.